So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make some side money by watching videos, either on your phone or on your TV, whatever. What's up, guys? It's Ayub from ViralWhirl. And before you get to watching this video, I want you guys to look in the description. I have my second channel there. Go subscribe to that second channel because over there I'll be showing you guys how you can make money through affiliate marketing. I'll be posting frequently, and I'll show you how you could start a business right on YouTube just like I did. Start a six-figure business right on YouTube by posting videos, and without even having a big channel, only 500 to 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead, subscribe to that channel. I'll start posting once I get to 100 subscribers right on that channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money by watching videos. Now, a lot of you guys see my methods. A lot of you guys watch my videos, and I do see some comments from time to time telling me that some of these methods are too advanced, or I can't do this. I live in a country where this is not available, or I can't afford to invest in something like ClickFunnels or invest in anything. I have $0 to my name. So I thought I would make this video because I got a message from a subscriber, a viewer, who told me that there's this website where you could actually make money from watching these types of videos, watching videos, everyday videos. And I'm like, okay, so why not show it on my channel? And by the way, I'm not sponsored by this website at all. Like, literally not sponsored. I'm not even going to put the link in the description. You guys can just go to it. I'll just say the name of the website, and you guys can just go to it. But yeah, like I said, a lot of people, they get confused with the methods. They say it's too advanced. They want an easy way to make money. And of course, easy ways to make money are not going to always make you the most amount of money. Let me just tell you that. If you're going the easy route with these types of methods like watching video, you're not going to make a lot of money, okay? Maybe you'll make enough to invest and hopefully make some more money, like investing in ClickFunnels or investing in hosting, or investing in some course that's going to help you make more money. But these types of methods are not going to get you a lot of money. I'll tell you that straight up, okay? Straight up. So the website is called ViralWhirl.tv. So like I said, a subscriber sent me an email. He told me you could check out this website. And I checked that out, and I think it's legit. It looks legit. With ViralTV, all you got to do is watch videos, and you earn points for those videos. And once you earn points, you could redeem them. Basically, like the other website I showed you guys in the last 3 videos, I think. But that one, you have to do offers and you have to do surveys. But with this one, all you got to do is watch videos. And the thing is, these videos are like interesting to watch. Like, these types of videos are shit you watch on Instagram. Like, you could literally stay an hour on Instagram watching these types of videos. Like, crockpot deep dish pizza, that shit always pops up on my feed, not feed, I mean on the explore page, and I keep scrolling, watching these dumbass videos. It's a waste of time, but why not waste your time watching these types of videos and actually get paid for it? Okay, you waste your time on Instagram anyway, so why not waste your time on here and get paid for it? So basically, with ViralTV, like I said, all you got to do is watch types of it. There's all kinds of categories. There's health, there's celebrity if you're into that. There's sports. You could watch NBA, NFL. Let's see what kind of sports they have. Yeah, they have everything. They even have The Rock talking. So basically, all you gotta do is sign up for an account. Let's see how you sign up for an account. Let's sign up. ViralWhirl@gmail.com. Let's make a password real quick. And free. And there you go, worked. And for you guys that say some of these websites like this, they usually only work in the US or the UK or whatever, Canada. They usually work in tier 1 countries. And if you're not from one of these countries, all you got to do is fire up a VPN. I'm sure it works if you fire up a VPN and make the US your location. But that depends. They may not let you cash out when it comes to the points, when you get points, because you're using a VPN. But who knows? I've never tried it with a VPN. But you could try it and tell me how it works. Tell me in the comments if it does work, if it doesn't. But yeah, guys, it's that simple. You sign up and you start watching videos. So let's see what kind of videos they have up here. The sports. Let's see all the sports. Let's see this one right here. So it's loading an ad. Okay, so for some reason it's not loading. Actually, now it's working. So once you watch this video, hold on. So once you watch this video, I'm guessing, that's it. You get paid for it. Let's see if it actually works. Okay, I'm sure you can't skip. I'm sure you're gonna have to watch the whole thing. And then it takes you to the other video. So they load the ad at the beginning, and then it takes you to another video. So these are what's called perk points. So I'm guessing you need 50 points to cash out. Let's see, get gift cards. Okay, so you cash out from perk. So if you don't know what perk is, it's like their sister website, I'm guessing. Yeah, because it's perk points. So this is their like sister website. And once you get points off here, off watching videos, watching through these ads, I'm pretty sure you need to watch through the ads in the beginning, and then there's multiple ads across the whole video. But I'm using ad blocker right now, so I don't think I can see these ads. So you're gonna have to watch these ads and not use an ad blocker. Okay, watch through the ads, and then you're gonna get some points. Once you get the points, you could cash them out at perk.com with a $5 gift card or other gift cards. So yeah, it's basically that easy, and I'm pretty sure they have an app. Okay, they do have an app. Okay, so they do have an app. They have an app on the App Store, and they have an app on Google Play, and they do have an app for Perk. I know that because I've seen it before, a Perk TV app. And yeah, they do have an app on Google Play. And yeah, they do have an app on Google Play, and they do have an app on the App Store. So basically, you could watch on your phone or on the TV using Chromecast. If you have Chromecast, all you got to do is log into Vigil TV or use the app and watch it off your TV. That's all you got to do, and you earn points for it. So like I said, guys, if you're just chilling in the house all day, take an hour or two or even 3 hours. I'm pretty sure if you look at your Instagram analytics, you're going to see that you use that shit for like 3 hours to 4 hours, and you're not getting paid for it, okay? If you actually want to do this shit and get paid for it, then go on Vigil TV, because obviously Instagram ain't paying you. And if you guys are on YouTube, you watch ads already, so you're used to it. As you can see here, it says 2 perk points. So I'm guessing you get 2 perk points for every video that you watch. Just watch a ton of videos. Most of these videos are only like 38 seconds longer. I'm guessing the longer the video, the more you'll get paid. But yeah, guys, this is something you could do to watch videos. And I have another one. If you watch 3 videos ago, I think it's 3 videos ago, yeah. It's a video called that I made. I uploaded it. It's called How to Make Money as a Kid or Teenager in 2019. Watch that video. One of the methods on there shows you how you can make money from another website. I forgot what it's called. I swear I forgot what it's called. But that website is for real, because I cashed out on that website because from referrals. I had referrals, old referrals on there, and I made points, and I cashed out right through PayPal. So I can tell you that website does work. If you're into these kind of methods where you have to do surveys, offers, or watch videos and make money, if you're into these kind of methods, then those are for you. Go watch that video. And this is another method that you could use. You could actually use Perk too. So not only can you use Vigil, but once you make an account on Vigil.tv, you have an account on Perk.com. So you could watch and earn on here too. You could do complete offers. You could do sweepstakes. And they have daily tasks where you can daily scratch. So you just scratch and see if you can get some points. Daily Vigil. If you watch 5 shows into Vigil, you could earn money. Daily slideshow. If you complete through the slideshow, you make money, and just other ways to make money right on Perk. So you have Perk and Vigil.tv. Take 3 hours out of your day, and I'm pretty sure you can make $20 a day just off this. Well, it depends. You can make anywhere from $10 to $15 or $20, depending how many hours that you do it. Like I said, you're not gonna make a bunch of money off this. You're not gonna make fucking 6 figures off this. But you will make something decent, okay? Some side money. It's called beer money for a reason. It's not money to live on, but it's enough money to buy a new game every month that comes out, or take your friends out to McDonald's, or take them to Burger King, buy them the new Impossible Burger. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's a way you can use to make money off watching videos. Personally, these types of methods are not for me. These types of methods are basically for people who are teenagers or kids and have $0 in their bank account currently and just want to make enough money so that they can invest in other things that will make them more money, like ClickFunnels or hosting or a course. This is the best way to make side money. If you guys want more videos like this where I show you guys how you can make money simply, okay? Easy ways to make money, not advanced. Well, they're not even advanced, but some people think they're advanced. But if you want more simple videos like this where I show you websites like this, how you can install apps to make money or watch videos or do offers, then comment that down below. And if you want advanced methods like how to make money through affiliate marketing, how to make money through drop shipping, how to make money through YouTube without being monetized, then comment that down below. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button if you did enjoy this video. And that's it. Peace.